In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and select one of those sections. I will go with My Send Anywhere album. Now just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of, and to select multiple ones right away, tap on this icon with a check mark at the top right corner. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, select this bin, also at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!